Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notification on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we got today, you see the blue box. You got Air Jordan International in gold on the outside of the box. There's a closer look at the logo. I mean, more than sure you already know what it is. So if not, we're just going to look around the box. You see on this side, you got the gold Jumpman. Right here, plain, front, the 23. What we got is the Air Jordan 3 Retro in Sail, Sport Royal, and Light Bone. Now this is the Air Jordan 3 International pack, International Flight. Now as you look at the paper that comes in the box, you got this Jumpman, and you got like a globe effect all throughout, and you can see like where he traveled to or whatnot. You know, the little dots that show the traveling. Here you got the Air Jordan International logo. I mean, it's pretty dope, man. It's kind of light, you can barely see it, but it is what it is, man. Now let's get look, enough of that, man. Let's get into the kicks. It is the Air Jordan 3 Retro International Flight. Dope shoe, in my opinion. I'm feeling it. See on the back, you got the royal blue Jumpman. You got that light elephant print at the back. There's the medial side. So you got the blue lacelets and you got some red ones. I think it's dope, man. You know, a lot of people saying they don't like the shoe, but it is what it is, man. It's all about preference. And me, I'm feeling it. Here's a look at the front. You see the Jumpman on the tongue. Another look at that elephant print on the toe box. All in all, man, I think it's a dope shoe, man. Here's a look at the bottom. You got the red, white, and blue theme going all throughout the shoe, especially on the bottom. You know, I'm feeling it. You know what I'm saying? If you can see right now, if not, I'll give you a better look. You can see the stars around the collar. Inside, you got the International Flight logo. Pretty dope, man. So here's a closer look at that bottom with your red, white, and blue theme, your USA theme. Now this shoe represents when Jordan played in the, which game was it? Magic Johnson charity game. What was it called? Magic Johnson Midsummer Nights charity game. Something like that. You know, in these colors, the same ones that was used on the jerseys that they wore that night. Now here's a closer look at that International Flight logo on the inside. You know, pretty dope. Like I say, man, this here represents, you know, that charity game. You know, here's a look at the stars and everything on the collar of the shoe on the inside. Pretty dope. Feeling it. You got your white laces that come with it. No extra laces. Ours didn't even get a hang tag, man, so go figure with that. You know, here's a closer look at that elephant print on the toe box. There's that nice high quality tumbled leather. You know, I'm feeling it, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You feeling it? You're not? Planning on copping? You gonna pass? What it is? Let me know what's there. Let's see, what else? What else we know about this? Now, I know this shoe is supposed to be a part of a larger pack. That's supposed to include a Jordan 12, a Jordan 3, you know, and all of them gonna have the USA theme. You know what I mean? So stay on the lookout for that, man. You know, so like I say, you got the red, white, and blue. You know, they got it on the midsole, you got it on the eyelets, the inner tongue, Jumpman logo, everything, you know. Now they got this gray elephant print all around the shoe. I mean, man, it is what it is, man. You know, I'm feeling it, man. I think it's dope, man. There's a better look at some of them stars that's around the collar of the shoe. You know, you see the stars around the bottom of the sole in the front. I think it's dope, man. Here's a look at that on the left foot. You got Michael Jordan's signature on the tongue. It's only on the left foot now. You know, so that's a nice little touch to it. You know, other than that, man, I think it's a dope shoe, like I say. You know, I'm feeling it. You know, let me know what y'all think in the comments, man, if you're feeling it or not, you know, so. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man, because we're going to do our own foot of these things too, man. You know what I'm saying? So, it is what it is, man. Oh, before I forget, let me show y'all a few differences. Now, here it is. I'm comparing them with the Katrina 3s, right? See, the Katrina 3s are white. You know what I'm saying? And this on the Jordan International pack, it's like a light bone color, you know, whatever they call it. I think they call it the sail or whatever it is, man, you know. But on the back, see, I don't know if you could tell on the camera, but on the back, see, on the Katrina 3s, it's more glossy. You know, on the International pack, it's kind of dull. You know what I mean? And see the difference with the Jumpman and the elephant print already. But when you're looking at the tongue, Katrina 3's got the tumble leather on the tongue with the red Jumpman. International Flight just have the OG tongue with Michael Jordan's signature on it. So, you know, go figure, man. You know, that was just a quick look at the difference between the two. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have to wonder, you know, you get home and you look at them side by side and you wonder, man, what's going on, you know? This is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So, you see, one is white, one is sail. So, you know, that sail is like off-white, like I said, you know. But it is what it is, man. You know, like I say, we about to lay up here and wrap this up, man. And, you know, y'all go ahead and enjoy yourself, man. Follow us on Instagram at PedalersAir504. Hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on. You know what I'm saying? Go check out the website. You feel me? I'ma holler back.